It's a beautiful day out there. Yes, in the 1st of May. Be nice to go outside and see the sunset. Specifically, you would be landing towards something, right? So that would be more like the vibe. Specifically, um, when you're just having fun or just doing what you like most. You're always there, so there is nothing really, there's nothing else to do, to go, to bored. I was watching this channel, so from Andrew Gold, Heretics, how they got this aeroplane that landed. Uh, it's very sad to know that people are being taken for granted and were taken for granted as well. We have a lot of sickness to heal with our behaviors, as the environment is. So sometimes you are inside this mafia, so what else can you do? Just be yourself, the best out of yourself. Just, doing as you do, remain in the darkness, because, anyways, when it's so important to take care of oneself. Narrow is the way. There's no agreement. There is no, there is nothing. So people normally meet and make their contracts. So it's like me asking for things and other people do it and get entitled for it. And then others don't care or get entitled. It works. It's very easy, no? So easy other people, just let other people think for you. And just make recordings, upload them, and one should just do what one has to do. The rest is on other people's hands. They're destined. Realistically, is the reality that I touch every day in my life, and as I see other people. I'm precisely working for something else, of course. It gets more than a village, the world, and people that are interested to work with the work of others, not not just taking. So that's very easy to say. People keep fighting with their problems, and we will see who has more rights, or if there is justice, or there are people that bring justice. Precisely talking to people that are interested in war and power and have no feelings to meet as well. It's the only power they had. They had seen non-stop. These wars never stopped. It's a long time investment from different angles, oppositions. We know that. But now that we're starting a new month, it's like traveling. You already are on board. Let's see the words of this month as we keep transiting after the 3rd of May, entering onto the next week on May the 4th. Peace. Let me know of your favorite words as that word that you see necessary to practice with the collective. So landing, unlanded. There you go. Bye.